smicky Rooney, sweet and dandy schnacks on it. Hey, alright, what's going on? Yes, I'm still painting. So the objective is to get all of the nuts and bolts looking smicky Rooney in the sanding cabinet. Then I will go across over to here on the painting bench. I've already started, we've got a whole pile of nuts and bolts here I'm working on. We've already done a few here. So remember those little suckers, they were to hold the tub on. They've now got 3 coats of paint on them. So I will continue with that and then reassemble things onto the tray or the back end of the truck. And I want to get out to the tub today and start on the undercarriage or the underside of the tub. I really want to focus on the details on the Hilux to the best of my ability, and this is where the sandblasting cabinet will come into its own. I'm cleaning the rear wheel or spare wheel mechanism here, and it looks fantastic. Well worth the money for the cabinet. This is the spare tyre mechanism that lowers it. So that's a good shot there of what she looks like now. That's just one coat of rust reformer. I love it when things start to look fresh. More attention to detail here. Every nut and bolt and anything that is attached to the chassis I have sandblasted and am recoating. Also doing the rear leaf shackles, or those parts have been sandblasted and a fresh coat of rust reformer and subframe black. And also fuel tank is getting a hit, light sand and some coats of black as well. Whew, okay, that's the first coat of the subframe black. I've put it on a little bit too heavy and it's just run everywhere. I've got runs on the whole lot as it's drying. So I'm not going to fret too much about it. It's going to be hidden mostly underneath the tub and tucked up and have the bash plate underneath. So I'm going to leave it, let that dry now, and I'll do one more coat and that'll be done, ready for tomorrow. Yeah. Please don't fall. Yes, tub time with the turbo nozzle. How's that for alliteration? We are preparing the underside of the tub for some rust reformer paint. So I've got to get the dirt and grime off before we paint it. All that thick dirt's gone from here. Same down the other end. Climb the fence here. Oh. Right, so we can see. So it's still a little bit left there, but I might scratch that before I paint it tomorrow. But that is looking a lot better. My face is covered in crud, the camera's covered in crud. Everything's got schnacks on it. This is where the rust starts on these tubs. So you can see that there is a bit of expansion, a bit of rust in between the 2 plates. So I'm going to cover that in the KBS rust encapsulator, rust sealer, and I'm going to do that along this entire seam, all the way around the outside of the tub, and in the middle, I'm not sure yet, I might just paint that with Rust-Oleum subframe stuff. To stop and prevent further rust problems, we are again using the KBS rust seal. Stuff's amazing. Everything that has a long running seam, I'm applying this to. New day and we're back into it. I am today reassembling. As you would have seen in yesterday's footage, we've painted everything up, got it looking sweet and dandy, and we are going to throw it on. We've got the brake proportioning valve to do on, we've got the spare tyre mechanism, whole heap of stuff, tank I want to try and get in today too. We'll see how we go with that. I need a new ratchet because mine's rat shit. All right, just look in my pile. So there's the old brake cable. That's bin material. Let's throw that over there. All right, shockies. Oh, here we go. 1, 2 new shockies. Let's unbox those. And then let's throw the little bastards on. Oh, looky. They're meant to fit. Right, we'll see how this goes. Rubbers. Bloody nuts. Got our nice big bolts. All freshly cleaned it up. We'll slide onto here. So, pretty sure that's how the old ones work. And then this will slide onto there. Or is it the other way around? Alright, found everything, it's all good. So we've got the top one ready to go. We're going to put the bottom ones on. Alright. Well, I am pretty happy with that. It looks good. Everything is back on and ready to rock and roll. Haven't done the tail shaft, as I said. I'm going to blast that a little bit more, sand it and paint that up. Handbrake is on. All the cabling has been redone. We've got the shackles for the springs, the leaf springs has been renewed, cleaned, sandblasted and painted. The amazing thing with this rig is that even the bump stops here aren't worn, but you can still see the nipples on the top there, the little rubber molds. I hope you're enjoying this anyway. I hope you're enjoying the Hilux, the Ningy Nugget. Everything is a long, tedious task when you don't have power tools. And again, always a learning curve, which I enjoy. Hopefully the knowledge is handy in other future projects. Budget is a little stretched, but I think this is done right. This is going to attract a lot of attention, which is exactly what I want. If you like what you're seeing on the Ningy Nugget, and look, go and check out all the other videos. I've got a Corolla we did. I've got the Peugeot, the 1978 504, which is just about to land in Malaysia. I managed to sell it offshore, overseas, to a guy. So that'll be basically landed and unloaded in the coming day or two, and we'll have footage of that in a future upcoming episode of Flip My Ride. We'll see you next time on Flip My Ride. I'm going to go and, you know what, bugger it. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm going to have a layup. It's Father's Day tomorrow. Happy Father's Day to all of you out there in Australia. The dads out there, enjoy the day and take it easy. Hopefully something good comes your way. I'm going to enjoy Father's Day too. I'm off to spend the day with my dad and my family. You'll see him in one of my early Peugeot episodes. Actually, last episode too, he was in with the Ningy Nugget. Anyway, I'm blabbing. We'll see you next time.